Hazel in June, New York is marketed as a fashion boutique offering stylish clothing, timeless designs, and attractive discounts. The branding creates the impression of a premium New York fashion label. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, not every online fashion store using New York, and its name is misleading. Some are legitimate retailers, while others simply use location-inspired branding. What it does well, the clothing looks stylish. Professional product photos create a premium boutique appearance. The website appears polished. A modern e-commerce design makes shopping simple and convenient, where the concerns start appearing. A New York name doesn't prove a New York business. This is the biggest issue. Many online retailers use city-based branding without actually operating there. Product photos may not match the actual item. Marketing images don't always reflect what customers receive. Large, ongoing discounts can create artificial urgency. Permanent sales may encourage impulse purchases. So, should you buy from Hazel in June, New York? Short answer, proceed carefully. There may not be enough evidence to immediately label the store as fake, but you shouldn't rely solely on the branding or discounts. Check independent customer reviews and use a buyer-protected payment method before placing an order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.